Hello guys, once again welcome back to the GFS Tech. Today we will demonstrate you about the SQL Server installation process. So first I will explain you how we will install the installation process, and after that we will go through it how we will install it. So let's begin. We will move into the computer screen. So SQL Server Management Studio. We will learn the installation process of the SQL Server Management Studio. So we will go to the how we will install that. So installing a SQL Server involves several steps, including the downloading installation media, configuring the setting, and completing the installation process. Here is the general outlines. So download and installation media. So widget, first step is what that the widget the Microsoft Download Center means, go to the download.microsoft.com and search for SQL Server, and choose the appropriate version and edition based on your needs. SQL Server 2022, for example, SQL Server 2022 standard enterprises and edition version you can download. Mostly I am preferring the edition version because that is a free. So download the installation media, usually an ISO file, and mount or run the installation media. If you downloaded an ISO file, mount it as a virtual drive, and using the Windows Explorer or virtual drive software, double click double click the setup.exe file, and start the installation process. Select the installation type, and choose the installation type based on your preference: new installation, upgrade, and custom. So mostly we will prefer that the basic one only. So then enter the product key. If you have that product key, then enter the product key. If you are installing that express server, then no need to put that product key there. And choose the installation rule. Accept the license term and condition installation rules. Full installation, minimum installations. Configure the feature, whatever the feature you want to use, configure that feature only. And database engine, mostly we are making the tutorial for that development part, so we will mostly pick this. Okay. And after that, what you will have to do, just set the instance name, and choose the instance name for the SQL Server, and then configure the several configuration file. Set up the configuration options such as the authentication mode, means which mode you want to install, Windows authentication mode or mixed mode authentication. So that you need to select. Data data directory location, where you want to save your data, that location you have to select then. And service account, then configure the database engine, and then after that configure the database engine, then configure the database engine settings such as the collision and capability label and recovery model. Install and configure the other feature. If you selected the other feature, configure the setting as needed. Then complete the installation process. Complete the installation process. Click on the install button to start the installation process. The installation may take the some time to complete, and note the specific step and options may vary depending on the SQL Server version. Addition, installing for detailed instructions and troubleshooting tip, refer to the official SQL Server documentation. So step 1, what you have to do, open any browser which you want open, and go to the download.microsoft.com. So what we will do, we will just go to the computer screen, and open that. We will go to the computer screen, and we will go to the computer screen, and then download the Microsoft. We will go to this site. Once we will go to this site, So if you see that this is the Microsoft site, here what you have to do, just search SQL Server. So we just want to download the Express version. So Express edition. So what we will do, we will search for the SQL Server Express edition, and after that what we will do that we will download, click on this first link, and then we will redirect to the next site. And after that what we will do, we just select this, click on this download button. Once we will click on this download button, then SQL Server Express Edition 2022 downloading process will start. So if you see that I have already downloaded that. So I will show you that after download how it will look like. So it will look like this. So I have downloaded this. After that what you have to do, just double click on this side, double click on this setup.exe file, and uh, once you double click on this exe file, then installation process will start. So you will get this, like this window, means this I have completed my installation process, so it is showing like that. And for your case it will ask you to accept the term and condition and then start installation. So you it will ask you for the basic one. So what you will do, just go with the basic one and then click on the install button. Okay, here you will get that install button. So once you do the installation, then it will, after successful installation, you will see like this: installation has completed successfully. And once your installation will complete, then what you have to do, you have to just click on this install SSI SSMS. Why we will use? Because you have installed that the server SQL Server 2022, but how you will connect with the database using UI. So for that you need to install that the UI. For UI installation you need to click here, install SSMS. Once you click on the SSMS, then what it will do, it will redirect you to the Microsoft site. And then what you have to do, go down, then you need to download the SQL Server Management Studio 2022 from here. Once you will download from this, it will, I have already downloaded, so it will show like this. Okay, and after that what you have to do, just double click on this setup file, and then it will install. Go to the next. It is very easy step, and you will install it. That once once it will complete, then we can use the SQL Server Management Studio. So thank so the I think this is the same step, and after that we can use the SQL Server Management Studio. So thank you guys. If you like this process, please like, share and subscribe my channel.